a cool driver.
Oh, thank you.
Would you take it off traction control better? Would it be better for you or no?
I actually like it with the traction control on.
Good.
I'm surprised.
You're surprised.
Yeah. Because I left it on right now.
I know you did.
So I think the big thing is because this car has so much power and the track is so hot right now, it's really hard to put the power down. So by leaving it on, I'm just letting the computer kind of make my life a lot easier. Because otherwise it's super squirmy.
Wow.
Because I still have to modulate the throttle a lot and be really, really smooth with the brake release.
Say that again. Modulate
the throttle and be super smooth with the brake release. And same for the steering as well. So I can imagine if you turn it off, it'd just be crazy.
I wish I could have videotaped you though.
I had the helmet cam going, so I'll send you the footage.
Oh yeah, come on! I can learn now.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I can just relive your lines.
Absolutely.
That was really good, Joey.
Yeah.
Hey, so you did paddle shifting the whole time, right?
I did, yeah.
You think you're faster than PDK?
Well, it's still doing the shifting, but I'm just choosing when.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, because this car revs so high, there's so much engine braking.
Yeah.
And so I like having control of how much engine braking I'm using. Whereas if I left it in automatic, like, it does a pretty darn good job. But like through the S's, it would leave it in second gear. Or through there, I like third gear better.
I see.